Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about the coordinate plane. Okay, so the coordinate plane is formed by the intersection of a horizontal number line and a vertical number line. The number lines intersect at a place called the origin and separate the coordinate plane into four regions called quadrants. So this is what it looks like right here. You've got your vertical number line, you've got your horizontal number line. Okay, here's the origin where they meet. You've got your four quadrants. Now, this is quadrant 1, and they go counterclockwise. Quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Okay? Now, an ordered pair is used to locate a point on the coordinate plane. So if we have the point, the ordered pair 4, -2, this is your x-coordinate, this is your y-coordinate. The x-coordinate goes side to side. So your x positive is over here, your x negative is over here, your y positive is up here, and your y negative is down here. Okay, so if I was going to graph this point right here, 4, -2, I would go 4 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and down 2. And that would be my point, 4, -2. Okay, so if I look at these quadrants, if I have a positive and a positive, that puts me in quadrant 1. If I have a positive and then a negative, like this, then I'm in quadrant 4. If I have a negative and a positive, I'm in quadrant 2. And if I have a negative and a negative, I'm in quadrant 3. Okay, so give the ordered pair for each of the points on the graph. So we've got 5 points on here. The point P. So if I locate this, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left. So that's -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, +5. So -5, +5. So the point Q. Okay, this one is -3, 1, 2, 3, and then it doesn't go up or down, so the y-coordinate is just 0. The point R. Okay, this one would be -1, so it would be the left one. And then it'd be down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's going to be -1, -7. The point S. Okay, this would be 0 sideways and 2 up. So that would be 0, 2. And finally, point T. Okay, T would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the right and 4 down. So that would be 7, -4. Okay, so there I've labeled all 4 points. I guess the only quadrant I didn't get one in is quadrant 1. So let's put another point in there just for fun. How about, let's do this point right here. Okay, we'll call this point V. So point V would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up to 1, 2. So that would be the point 8, 2. And there we go. Okay, plot the points -4, 6, and A is at -4, 6, and B is at 0, -5. Which quadrant is each point in? So I'm going to let you pause the video. I'll let you figure this out real quick, and then jump back on here and make sure you got it right. Okay, so if I plot the point -4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's going to be right there. That's going to be my point A. Which quadrant is that in? That's in quadrant 2. Use Roman numerals too, by the way. Okay, 0, -5. So 0 side to side, down 5. That would be right there. Okay, now here's the tricky part. It's not graphing it. It's what quadrant is that in? And that's in no quadrant. That is on the negative y-axis. Okay, because it's not in quadrant 3 and it's not in quadrant 4. It's right on the line in between them. Okay. An archaeologist divides an area using a coordinate plane in which each unit represents 1 meter. The corners of a secret chamber are shown on the graph. What are the dimensions of the secret chamber? Okay, so here's the graph. And if I was to kind of trace it out here, I'd get a nice rectangle like so. And then I could count. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 meters. And this would be 1, 2, 3, 4 meters. Okay, so the dimensions are 6 meters by 4 meters. There you go, that's it. Answers the question. A blizzard hits a town at midnight. The table shows the hourly temperatures from midnight to 8 a.m. Okay, graph the points on table, make 3 observations from the graph. Okay, so 0 hours after midnight, that'd just be midnight, it was 7 degrees. So we can go ahead and go 0 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 hour after midnight, it was 5 degrees. So that's going to be right here. 1, 5. 2 hours after midnight is 3 degrees. 3 hours after midnight, it's 0 degrees. 4 hours, it's -1. 5 hours, it's -4. Oops, that should be -4, shouldn't it? So that should be right there. And then 6 hours is -5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. 7 hours, it's -2. And 8 hours, it's 2 degrees. So my graph looks something like that. So we've graphed the points on the table. That's done. Okay, make 3 observations. So there's lots of different things you can get from this. The temperature drops. So we could say the first one is the temperature drops until what? 6 hours after midnight, so until 6 a.m. Then it starts to go back up again. There's a couple times here where this is not a straight line. So you can see this actually dropped pretty steeply right here, 3. This one also dropped really steeply, 3. This didn't drop very much right here. It dropped 1. So you could say that it dropped 3 degrees between 4 and 5 a.m. It also dropped 3 degrees between 2 and 3 a.m. So I can just kind of, holy Moses, I can't write today. You could say the temperature was negative between what, 3 and sometime like about 7:30 a.m. .30 will be right here. So there's a bunch of different observations you can make off of that. Okay, so we're going to do problem 1 and then 5 through 51 odd in class tomorrow, and I will see you guys later.